I've seriously considered becoming a stripper and working off of tips. That's how broke I am. So let's be honest. I'm in the military as an enlisted member and I don't get paid enough. If you were to switch roles with somebody that's an officer right now and they got paid what we would get, none of them would switch sides. And if you have an officer that is real with you, they would tell you that you don't get paid enough. But reality is we gotta do what we gotta do. And there's ways to get around that with getting that coin. One thing that I suggest is that you go ahead and look up TSP, Thrift Savings Plan. You can set up a portfolio that is customized based off of what you want. Or you can have a portfolio that spans over a 20-year time frame, i.e. the amount of time that you're going to be in the military. Over the time span, it will go up and down in regards to how aggressive it is. It's going to be very aggressive in the beginning, and towards the end, where you're getting close to that 20-year mark, it's going to start dialing back a little bit because you don't want to have aggressive accounts when you're getting ready to get out. It's not too smart. It's not too smart. Another thing that you can do is you can start a business. Now with this business, you can do anything. I know people that have apparel. I know folks that have a carpentry business. I know somebody that sells socks. I'm trying to be that guy that sells socks. What I'm trying to say is we can have a business in anything that we want. Create a business plan and execute. You might think it's something so dumb, but find something that the public needs and supply it. Supply it. You want that passive income though? Yo, I'm no business major nor am I a financial advisor, but we need to get this coin. You can also do what we came in the military to do, protect and serve. You can volunteer for a deployment. Now, when it comes to deployments, depending on where you are going, you can get tax-free coin, okay? Tax-free coin. I'm not playing. In addition to this tax-free coin, you can get hazard duty pay. Now, that stuff starts adding up like crazy. Tax-free hazard duty pay, and when you box up all your stuff from the States or wherever you are, you're not paying on any mortgage, rent, or probably a mortgage. You're probably paying on that if you have a house. But anyway, if you have an apartment or anything that you can just put into like storage and stow away, it's too easy. It is too, oh my gosh, it's too easy. I don't condone anybody being a stripper, but if that's what you have to do, that's what you have to do. But you know you're not supposed to be doing it, especially if you're in the military. But if you're doing it, don't let nobody know. But I'm not saying to do it. Look. If you have any more questions, hit me up on @JustAllie on Instagram. DM me. I'm here. I answer questions. I want to talk to y'all, and I also want to know in the comments below, what type of investments do y'all have? What are y'all doing to get actual income on top of your military income? And if you're not in the military, what are you going to be doing prior to you coming into the military to be making more coin? I'm curious. I'm obviously wanting more money. Everybody wants more money, okay? It ain't the source of happiness, but I want more coin. Thanks for watching.
Hold up.